big part of our core philosophy is due diligence in bringing a consistency to each and every project. Collectively, if our customers were to at some point get together and compare a little bit of their project to the next, I think they would find a common theme, and that's consistency. We want to look at ourselves as consultants. We meet with them, we want to understand what they're after, what they're looking for. We want these customers for life, not just their project. And if we're going to build our business, we really believe we're going to build it on referrals. Part of the difference with us on the remodel side is we do focus on both exterior and interior, so we can be that one-stop shop. It can begin and end right here, as far as your remodel choice. We all believe we have something great to offer. We want to grow for our customer, whether it be through knowledge, experience. Part of our process of completing a project is doing a walkthrough with the homeowner. And we don't take a final payment until we do that walkthrough and make sure that what they expected has been done.